Hello. In this video, we have the following. A right triangle has legs with lengths 2 and 4. Find sine alpha, cosine alpha, and tangent alpha if alpha is the angle opposite the side of length 4. Okay, so here we want to draw a triangle because we don't have one yet. Now, it doesn't have to look like this, and notice that it's not a perfect right triangle, but it doesn't really matter. We're told that the legs are lengths 2 and 4. So say that's 2 and that's 4. What I need to know is where's alpha? Well, alpha is the angle opposite the side of length 4. Now, opposite, here's side, which means opposite goes over there. So it means that here, that's where alpha is. Here is your hypotenuse. From all this, the 4 is opposite because it's away from the alpha. The side that's making up the angle here is adjacent, so the 2 is adjacent, and the c is the hypotenuse. But we still need to figure out what c is using the Pythagorean theorem. So c squared equals 4 squared plus 2 squared. 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, 16 plus 4 is 20. So c would be the square root of 20, and square root of 20 is the same thing as square root of 4 times 5. So that gives me 2 square root of 5. And yes, you do need to simplify these. Alrighty, now that we know this, we can figure out what is sine alpha, what is cosine alpha, and what is tangent alpha. Now to do this, we have to understand or remember SOH CAH, opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. So for the sine alpha, it's opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 4, hypotenuse is c, which is 2 square root of 5. So we're going to make this as 4 over 2 square root of 5. And then we're going to simplify. So sine alpha equals 2 over the square root of 5. But then again, we have to rationalize the denominator, so multiply top and bottom by the square root of 5. So sine alpha equals 2 square root of 5 over 5. Awesome. Now let's work with cosine alpha. It's adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 2. Hypotenuse is 2 root 5. So this is going to be 2 over 2 root 5. And again, simplify. So cosine alpha equals 1 over the square root of 5. And multiply top and bottom by the square root of 5. So cosine alpha equals square root of 5 over 5. Awesome. As for tangent alpha, opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 2. So tangent alpha equals 4 over 2. Simplified, well, it's just 2. So tangent alpha equals 2. Good deal. And this was all we were asked to find. If we wanted all 6, we would then just do the reciprocals of these, and that would give us the reciprocals. So cosecant would be root 5 over 2, secant would be root 5, and cotangent would be 1/2. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.